What is going on, guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video I'm going to talk about what we can do with images, and we're just going to cover it a little bit more because obviously we already know a lot of stuff that we can do with images, but we're just going to look at some extra stuff. So the first thing obviously we would need to do, we would need to add a image, right? So I'm just going to go for source in this case, and I'm just going to say images, and I'm going to put Kevin Hart, but right away I'm just going to make the width like 200, something like this. So now you can see this is my Kevin Hart over here. So I would obviously set the rule over here. So I'll use the quick edit and I would set the new rule. And the first thing what we can do is actually change the border radius. So we can pretty much make them round if we want. So I would have to write border radius right over here. And let's say we're going to start with 25 pixels. And we can see it like this. And if we say, let's say use percentage, so if we put 50%, you can see that I can do it completely round. And while it's round, let's say I could do another thing. I could make it like a thumbnail. So if I add a padding over here, let's say I would add like, I don't know, like 10 pixels over here all around, and then change the background color. So I would say something like this, and let's say something dark cyanide. You can see that I can make a cool little thumbnail, right? And the last thing that I would want to show you is actually how we can use a filter property, and we can actually make them black and white. So if I write over here filter, and first I would have to have here a semicolon, and over here, and if I would write a grayscale like this, and then depending on the percentages, you can see if I'm doing 100%, then it's going to be completely black and white, right? If we zoom in and over here. But if we leave it, let's say at 50, then obviously it's not going to be as black and white. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.